We are going to make some profiteroles. So we're going to make some choux pastry. I have in my pan a litre of milk and a litre of water. I have 1200 grams of plain white flour. I have 800 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 40 grams of salt, and 1.8 kilos of whole eggs. So first thing I would do is bring my milk and water up to the boil with my butter in the milk to melt. To the milk and butter, I'll add my sugar and salt, and then just gently heat that till it comes to the boil. Should take a few minutes. So now my milk has come to the boil, the butter is entirely melted, the salt and sugar have dissolved. I'm going to take my 1200 grams of flour, add it to the mix, and then slowly incorporate it into the liquid, and it will get smoother and smoother as flour disperses. So I transfer the dough to our mixing bowl using the paddle whisk. Just stir this mix till it cools down to room temperature. So now the mix has come down to room temperature. I'm slowly going to add the eggs one at a time. Just let it mix into the mix before adding the next one. So to cook profiteroles, choose recipes, groups, sweets, profiteroles. There's my cooking steps. Press start, the oven's going to preheat.